Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. It is 8:58. We're talking about 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the U.S. Open on Friday. It is Friday, June the 23rd, but I'm watching some stuff here. We're getting quite a bit of weakness in these markets, down over 1% on the NASDAQ, 0.75% on the S&P, and 60 basis points on the Dow. Watching the Dow 30-minute chart right now, closing in a minute and a half. And some interesting things going on here. Even in the pre-New York. I don't normally trade during the pre-New York, although I have done a few days lately, because price action has been compelling enough. Watching. So this is the zone break, guys. Let me just expand the 30 minutes so we can see clean traffic over here. Let me really zoom in on that so I can show you what I mean by that for those who are new. We have this clean traffic area right here. It's a little funny with those wicks, and if you've been trading for a while, you'll know what I mean by that, but for now, let's just focus on pure price action here. We've got 15 seconds left in this 30-minute chart. Watching intently now. See how this closes. I'd like to see it close with a bottom wick if at all possible. Then I want to see a top wick on the next candle. So there's a bit of a bottom wick, and yeah, no top wick, guys. I'm not going to take that. Unless we get a top wick now, I'm not interested. This thing can go without me, and I'm just fine with it. No issues. Just waiting and watching now. As always, I am watching the Three Sisters on a different screen. I'm going to have to format. I can leave this like this. See what I'm watching here? This pull up now. That's what I want to see, a zigzag pull up. But I need to see it here on the Dow, guys. The Dow is the weakest in this move of the three. Not overall strongest of the futures by a little bit. There's a top wick. That's what I want to see. Let me show it to you on the Three Sisters. You'll see the rally on the NASDAQ, rally on the S&P, and now finally a rally attempt on the Dow. Zoom in on this so we can really watch this. Candle anatomy. Impulse down, impulse down, impulse down. Zigzag measured, failure to measure on this. Okay, here we go. Flip. Dropping down to the 1 minute chart. Good movement here. Excellent. I'm watching the Three Sisters. Different screen. I know I keep repeating that, guys, and I apologize. I'm just trying to make it very clear that I'm not just taking this into account here with my trade ideas, but that I'm always watching for clues here in terms of congruency, equilibrium, disequilibrium, relative strength, relative weakness, all of those things being taken in here. Probably about 100 moving parts here, ideas. Little nuances I'm talking about. Obviously the ideas are fairly straightforward. Either they're in sync or they're not. Either they're below VWAP or above, things like that. Those are the basics. Probably 4 or 5 things there to look for, but the nuances are many, 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 and you learn those over time. Watching now. All right, guys, getting ready here. I may enter at the market here very suddenly. I'm just going to be very straight up with you here. It's going to be a quick move, I believe. 12 seconds left, or I'll have a stop sell below the wick of this candle, wherever that might be on the close in 5 seconds. And entering now at the market, guys, right there. Right there. I actually got that entry right there before that candle gapped. I'm risking 20 here to make 25. Risking 20 to make 25. Here we go. First trade of the day. Dow short. Zone break and trend continuation. Is a double field to this one. I want to see something here for a moment. Okay. It's 9:06. I'd like to be out of this trade by the open itself. I may move this to break even very quickly. If I get the chance, I might just get stopped out before that, but we'll see. Patience now. Some interesting price action this morning. I will show you the three sisters so you can see the clues as to why I sold when I sold. Here we go. Patience now. Just gonna move the marker over here, but that's the level that I got in, as you could see when I entered. Patience. Stop to above the wick now. Need a new low on this. Stop to break even, guys. Stop to break even. Looking for 25 points. One One more push now. One more. And I'm in. It's funny, Mike didn't trigger immediately on my own platform. I was watching my platform and not this one, but there it is, guys. Thanks for being with me today. Have an amazing day, an amazing weekend if I don't talk to you soon. Be careful out there today. There's some weird things going on the market right now, and I hope you'll remain focused and respect risk. Take care, guys. We'll talk soon.